Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by picking 2 solid spoons and clearing a 1-meter workspace so nothing breaks. Hold the primary spoon steady with your thumb on the bowl and index along the handle. This stabilizes motion. Once ready, position the secondary spoon behind the bowl at a slight angle, about 30 degrees, to catch momentum. Make a deliberate wrist flick, not a full arm swing, so energy transfers efficiently. Practice the motion slowly 3 times to build muscle memory before increasing speed. Once you have the basic flick, focus on timing and control. Count 1, 2, 3, and accelerate on 3 with a focused wrist motion. You should feel a quick transfer of energy from the first spoon into the second. If the spoons clash or miss, reduce speed and repeat. Make micro adjustments to the angle in 5 to 10 degree steps, and use your non-dominant hand to steady the receiving spoon if needed. Practice sets of 10 to build consistent accuracy and rhythm. To finish, catch the moving spoon softly. Bend your wrist slightly to absorb shock and avoid ricochet. If things go wrong, slow the motion immediately, check your grip and the approach angle, and repeat at reduced speed. Most problems trace to angle or timing errors. Make sure spoons have no cracks or loose handles before each session. Once consistent, integrate small variations in speed or angle to expand control. And always stop if you feel.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.